Hi there, my name is Danny Solemn, and I'm the founder of Decryptionary.com. That's the simplest crypto dictionary and beginner's guide. In this video series, I'm going to introduce you to the basic concepts around cryptocurrencies. We're going to touch on the 13 major common cryptocurrency words that everyone needs to know. Then we're going to touch on the 5 different categories that you can classify cryptocurrencies into, and finally the 8 resources you should be using right now. Before I go on, here's a quick disclaimer. Nothing published by me or Decryptionary should be taken as investment advice. In fact, before you invest in anything, make sure you do your own research. Alright, and now we're at the final part of the video. You've made it this far. I'm going to show you the 8 resources, crypto resources that everyone should be using. I know I use all of these and I definitely recommend them. The first one is, of course, my favorite, Decryptionary.com. It's the simplest crypto website. You know all about it, or you should by now, and I really hope that you'll share it with your friends and family because it's a passion project of mine. It's taken a life of its own, and here I am. It is quite literally 3 a.m. in the morning, and I am recording this. So I want to help other people get introduced into crypto. I want to be one of the beginning places for people new to crypto to get started. And the second great tool is crypto101podcast.com. It's one of the top crypto podcasts. It's hosted and created by a friend of mine by the name of Matthew. He's done me a humongous favor and let me interview. Well, first I got interviewed by him, and then we started interviewing others, and we've got a whole series of episodes. We just did one on my Ether wallet right before the change to my crypto, which was very exciting. So I'm really looking forward to seeing some of these episodes come out, and there's a lot of great data there for you to check out. And then there's Coinbase.com. It is probably one of the simplest and most well-known ways to buy crypto, especially for Americans. You can buy with your credit card, with your bank account. You can get the app on your phone. It is really sleek. It is a great looking website. If you use the link that I posted down below, then you'll get $10 and I'll get $10 after you purchase $100 of crypto. It is only for new users, but doing that actually really helps me. I like to say that it helps me support my wife and her bubble tea addiction. Next, we've got reddit.com. That is sort of the discussion place for the world where you can talk about literally anything. It is a great place for cryptocurrencies though, because people all around the world are meeting up and sharing their favorite new coins, trading strategies, and a lot of garbage too. So it's pretty entertaining. Then we've got coinmarketcap.com, a really simple, basic website. You can check all the different prices and market cap of coins. Matthew from Crypto 101 podcast likes to also shout out to Apogee. That's APOGEE. They are a coin market cap competitor. They have a much better looking website. Give them a check out too. The 6th and 7th resources are Cointelegraph and Coindesk.com, both great news websites with a lot of up-to-date data. They've got a ton of writers and some really fresh content. And the final resource is Blockfolio. It's just a really simple app. I have it on my phone. Unfortunately, I like to check it a lot. It's pretty addicting. I've been getting better at that, but you can enter in the prices of all of your investments and the dates, and you can see the value change. It can be a little complicated at first, but it's a really good app and it's free. There's a couple other paid apps you can get out there and you can check it out on your own, but this is a really nice free one that I recommend. So what's next? I've got a bunch of new video courses to help you get started with crypto. Everything from how to buy your first crypto, how to diversify, keeping your crypto safe, and more. Check out the link below. It's also posted in the description, and you'll find your next course, how to buy your first crypto. It's going to be simple, visual, and entertaining. Hey, I'll see you in my next video course.